Have you ever looked at your Zamioculcas, the famous ZZ plant, and felt like it was completely frozen in time? You water it. You give it the perfect spot in your house. You clean its beautiful, glossy leaves. And yet, weeks turn into months, and months turn into a whole year. But absolutely nothing happens. No new leaves. No new stems. Just a beautiful but completely stubborn plant that refuses to grow. It is incredibly frustrating. You see other people online showing off massive, exploding ZZ plants with thick, vibrant green shoots emerging from the soil every single week. And you wonder, what am I doing wrong? Is my plant broken? Today, everything changes for you and your garden. Welcome back to Simply Green, your ultimate destination for plant care secrets that actually work. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You do not want to miss the hidden techniques that commercial growers use to make plants thrive. In this video, I am going to reveal a massive bombshell that is kept a secret by professional nurseries. I am talking about a single, simple household ingredient. Just 1 teaspoon of this powerful element can completely unlock, unblock, and force new shoots out of any stagnant Zamioculcas. Best of all, it costs almost $0. You probably already have it in your kitchen right now, but you have been throwing it down the drain for years. But wait! Before you rush to your kitchen, you need to understand that if you apply this ingredient the wrong way, you could ruin your plant's roots forever. The secret isn't just what the ingredient is. The real magic lies in how you prepare it, the exact scientific reaction it triggers inside the soil, and the specific dosage your ZZ plant needs to trigger an explosion of growth. So grab a notebook, sit back, and pay extremely close attention to every single minute of this video. We are going to break down the entire process, step by step, from the hidden biology of your Zamioculcas to the exact recipe that will transform your dormant plant into a growth monster. Let's get started. To understand why this 1 teaspoon works like absolute magic, we first need to understand the unique, mysterious anatomy of the Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Most people look at a ZZ plant and think it behaves just like a regular houseplant, such as a pothos or a peace lily. But that is a huge mistake. The Zamioculcas is a survivor. It is native to the dry, harsh environments of East Africa. Because of this, its entire survival strategy is completely different from almost any other indoor plant you own. When you look at the beautiful green stalks rising from the pot, you might think those are branches. But biologically speaking, those are not branches or trunks. Each one of those large stalks is actually a single, massive, highly evolved leaf. So, where is the real stem of the plant? Where does the life of the Zamioculcas actually begin? It is hidden beneath the surface of the soil. If you were to gently dig up your ZZ plant right now, you would find large, round, potato-like structures hidden in the dirt. These are called rhizomes. The rhizomes are the true heart and soul of your Zamioculcas. They act as underground reservoirs. They store incredible amounts of water and nutrients so the plant can survive months of drought in the wild. When your Zamioculcas stops growing and becomes stuck, it is not because the leaves are lazy. It is because the underground rhizomes have gone into a deep state of hibernation. They are sleeping. They have decided that the current soil environment does not have the exact chemical signals needed to justify spending energy on new growth. Commercial nursery growers know this secret. They know that to make a ZZ plant shoot up massive new stems, you don't feed the leaves. You must wake up the rhizomes. You must give them a specific, powerful biostimulant that sends a shockwave of energy straight into the roots, forcing the rhizome to split open and push a brand new, thick shoot toward the light.
And that brings us to our breakthrough ingredient.
So, what is this incredible ingredient that acts as a master key to unlock your plant's hidden potential? It is something derived from a staple food found in almost every home on Earth. It is fermented rice water, combined with a highly specific preparation technique.
Now, you might have heard about using rice water for plants before, but most people do it completely wrong.
They simply rinse some rice, pour the white, cloudy water directly into the pot, and then they wonder why their soil starts to smell bad, attract gnats, or rot their plants. We are not going to do that. Today, we are talking about a refined, precise, grower-level technique. Why is rice water so incredibly powerful for a Zamioculcas? Let's look at the science. When rice is washed or soaked, it releases vital nutrients into the water. It contains significant traces of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the essential NPK elements that all plants crave. But more importantly, rice water is packed with starches, complex carbohydrates, and a massive dose of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Vitamin B1 is a powerful, documented root stimulant used by botanists worldwide. When vitamin B1 hits the underground rhizomes of your Zamioculcas, it acts like an adrenaline shot. It stimulates cell division. It tells the rhizome that it is completely safe, strong, and fully energized to build new structures. But that is only half of the secret. The real magic happens when we allow this liquid to undergo a short, controlled fermentation process. When you ferment rice water, you are activating beneficial live microorganisms, specifically lactic acid bacteria. When these friendly microbes are introduced to your ZZ plant soil, they immediately go to work. They break down organic matter in the dirt, making locked-up minerals instantly available for the roots to absorb. Furthermore, these microbes secrete natural enzymes and plant hormones called auxins. Auxins are the exact chemical messengers that command a plant to create new tissue. By applying just the right amount of this fermented superliquid, you are essentially changing the entire ecosystem underneath the soil. You are turning a dormant, dead environment into a highly active, highly energized launchpad for new shoots. Now, let's look at the exact step-by-step recipe to prepare this professional-grade biostimulant safely at home. Please follow these measurements perfectly. Precision is everything when it comes to delicate plant roots. Step 1. The gathering. Take half a cup of raw, uncooked rice. It can be white rice, jasmine rice, or brown rice. Brown rice contains slightly higher vitamin levels, but regular white rice works beautifully. Place the rice into a clean glass bowl or jar. Do not use any salt, oil, or seasoning. It must be completely pure. Step 2. The first wash. Pour 1 cup of clean, filtered, room temperature water over the rice. Do not use hot water, as hot water will cook the starches and ruin the recipe. Using your clean hands, gently swirl and massage the rice grains in the water for about 2 minutes. You will see the water turn into a deep, milky white color. This means the starches, proteins, and crucial B vitamins are successfully transferring into the liquid. Step 3. The separation. Using a strainer, separate the liquid from the rice grains into a clean glass jar. You can save the rice grains to cook for your dinner later. What we need is that beautiful, cloudy white elixir inside the jar. Step 4. The fermentation, the critical step. Cover the top of the jar with a breathable cloth, like a paper towel or a cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Do not seal it with a solid lid because the wild yeasts and bacteria in the air need to breathe to start the process. Place the jar in a dark, warm place in your home, like a kitchen cupboard, and leave it undisturbed for exactly 48 hours. After 48 hours, remove the cloth. You will notice a slightly sour, sweet, fermented aroma. This is the exact smell of success. It means the lactic acid bacteria are alive, active, and ready to protect and stimulate your Zamioculcas. Step 5. The master dilution. This fermented liquid is incredibly concentrated and highly acidic right now. If you pour it directly into your plant, it will shock the roots. We must dilute it. Take exactly 1 teaspoon of this fermented rice water concentrate and mix it into 1 liter of clean, dechlorinated water. Stir it thoroughly. Your golden elixir is now complete and ready for deployment. Now that you have your powerful biostimulant ready, how do you actually apply it to your Zamioculcas to guarantee a massive explosion of new growth without causing root rot? This is where many amateur plant parents fail, so listen very closely. The Zamioculcas hates sitting in soggy, wet soil. Remember those underground rhizomes we talked about? They are full of water. If you water your ZZ plant too often, those rhizomes will drown, turn into a mushy brown mess, and the plant will die. Therefore, you must never use this solution on soil that is already wet or damp. Before you apply your diluted solution, check the soil of your Zamioculcas. Use a wooden stick or your finger to check deep into the pot. The soil must be 100% dry from top to bottom. If it is still damp, wait a few more days. When the soil is completely dry, take your prepared mixture. Slowly pour it around the base of the plant, focusing on the areas where the rhizomes are hidden. Pour until you see a little bit of water starting to drain out of the holes at the bottom of the pot. Once it drains, empty the saucer beneath the pot immediately. Never let your Zamioculcas sit in a puddle of water. How often should you do this? This is a high-powered grower's technique, which means less is always more. You should only use this mixture once every 30 days, and only during the active growing season of spring and summer. During the cold winter months, your plant is resting naturally, so you should stop completely and let it sleep. Within 14 to 21 days after the first correct application, the signs will begin to manifest. The vitamin B1 and the active auxins will trigger a massive surge of energy inside the dormant rhizomes. The rhizome will expand, crack open, and you will see a bright green, thick, powerful new shoot breaking through the soil line. It is an absolutely beautiful sight to behold. To wrap up this ultimate Zamioculcas masterclass, let's cover 3 final golden rules that will ensure your plant utilizes this new energy to grow the biggest, most beautiful leaves possible. First, light. While the ZZ plant can survive in low-light corners, it absolutely loves bright, indirect sunlight. If you want those new shoots to grow tall, thick, and strong, place your plant near a window with plenty of indirect light. More light means more photosynthesis, which gives the plant the fuel it needs to support the massive growth triggered by our secret rice water elixir. Second, do not disturb the new shoots. When the new green stalks emerge, they are incredibly soft, delicate, and pale green. Avoid touching them or moving the pot excessively during this phase. Let them open up naturally over a couple of weeks until they turn into that deep, dark, armor-like green color. Third, always ensure your potting mix is extremely well draining. A mix of regular indoor soil with plenty of perlite and orchid bark is the perfect home for a Zamioculcas rhizome. It allows the roots to breathe and prevents any moisture from trapping the beneficial microbes we just introduced. If you combine the power of this fermented growers technique with proper lighting and watering habits, your Zamioculcas will never be stuck again. You will have a magnificent, thriving, exploding centerpiece in your home that everyone will admire.
Thank you so much for watching this deep dive on Simply Green.
If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below telling me how long your ZZ plant has been stuck, and share this video with a fellow plant lover. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now to learn how to make your pothos leaves grow as big as dinner plates using another incredible household secret. Keep it green, take care of your plants, and I will see you in the next video.